Amazon's drone delivery made less than 10 home deliveries in a month.
It's not looking good.
Well, they're just like, listen, man, this stuff is hard. Wow, look at this fake backyard where they're demoing.
It looks like a home improvement with Tim Allen.
Yeah, it's so funny with the fake blue sky.
Yeah.
Residents of Lockford, California and College Station, Texas have previously expressed safety concerns over the company's drones. I mean, it looks like it has some decent protection around the propellers, but it could still fall on your head.
It looks huge, though.
It does look huge. Is it just the angle? I like the guy's expression on the far right side. That guy right there. He's doing the thumbnail right now. He's like, Amazon Prime Air received clearance from the FAA to bring drone delivery to Lockford and College Station in November and December of 2022. Customers were finally able to purchase their favorite products and have them shipped via Amazon Prime Air. However, sources close to the project told the information this week that Amazon's drones have only delivered packages to fewer than 10 houses in 2 towns by mid-January. So this happened December 2022. So you got a month? In a month, it really hasn't delivered too many things. The lull in deliveries is likely due to tricky clearance from the Federal Aviation Administration, which states that Amazon's drones cannot fly over roads or people without case-by-case permission. Amazon has so far only been able to release drone deliveries in 2 towns. Well, there's going to be heavy restrictions on this. Like, people are probably clicking drone Air, Amazon Air, and it's like, not available right now, or not available to your address, or whatever it is. It's just going to be very restrictive in the immediate future.
Yeah.
But I can't say. I mean, I was surprised they were even able to get clearance to do a test run of it, or even to do 10 of them. Lockford has a population of 3,500, and College Station has a population of 120,000. And Amazon received FAA approval to bring Amazon Prime Air to these towns back in November and December. But only 2 houses in Lockford received 3 drone deliveries, while only 5 houses in College Station. Yeah, listen, it's people are worried. They're going to have hefty restrictions on the thing. You're eventually going to have a news story. Someone tries to shoot one down. Like, of course, that's going to happen.
It is a cool concept, though.
Well, yeah, it's extremely
very futuristic.
A lot of people understand it immediately. They're like, well, I mean, the air. Look at the air. There's nothing in the air.
Yeah,
look at all this traffic over here. Yeah. But it's definitely one of those concepts that is easy to understand and get behind, but then extremely difficult to implement and deal with all the restrictions and regulations and everything else. And risk factors, because we can't ignore the risk factors. Like, as soon as something goes wrong, people are like, why are these things even... Why are they even in our driveways to begin with after it falls, has some malfunction?
Spying on us.
Well, privacy. It's just like everything else. It's like everything else. Yeah. Anyway. Good luck to Amazon and everyone. I mean, Amazon doesn't need me wishing them good luck, by the way.
They're doing pretty well.
Yeah, I think I told you before. Heard? Yeah, Jeff he's flexing right now, man. He's got his shades on and he's investing in some sort of AI lawyer. And his AI lawyer is going to argue why his drones should be delivering all the things.
Yeah, you don't want to mess with him.
And they'll be making the case to all the parties and regulators, and they're going to take one look at this and and instantly agree. And if they don't, he's going to kick them out of his arena in Seattle.
Yeah,
that's your guy.
Yeah.
So.